Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, April 14th. Here are the 2 words for today. I like to eat pizza. Very good. And Jennifer drives her car very slowly. Correct. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer eats pizza every Sunday. Jennifer eats pizza every Sunday. Pizza. It is a delicious food made with bread and cheese. Now we can make a flashcard for pizza. Please write pizza up here in the top left corner. P-I-Z-Z-A. Down here, F-O-O-1. This means food, level 1. And over here the number, 36 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. E. Pete. S. Pizza. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob's parents walk slowly. Bob's parents walk slowly. They walk slowly. It takes a long time for them to get anywhere. Now we can make a flashcard for slowly. Please make a card like this. Up in the top left corner, write to do something slowly. Down in this corner, ADV 1. This means adverb, level 1. And over here the number 32 out of 42. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part in the middle sounds like O. Slow. Slowly. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned I like to eat pizza. Very nice. And do you walk quickly or slowly? Very good. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is in the sky. Cloud. Very good. Number 2, a sheet of paper. And number 3, to dip, is when you have a cookie and your drink, you dip something in something. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Please write your language on the other side of the card.